we will discuss about this while we are waiting other participants. So we also will discuss about the materials. But I will, this is Mr. Marlo da Silva join the class. Yeah, he is originally from East Timor, but now he is staying in Jakarta and he is studying or yeah, he is student at the college in Jakarta.
Okay.
Yes, I will say greetings first for him, Mr. Mario da Silva. He has the Portuguese names. Actually, he can speak Portuguese, but I don't know. Does he able to speak Spanish or not? Okay, hello, Mr. Mario da Silva. Good evening, sir.
Hi, Mr. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. And how about you?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, nice to see you in the class, Mr. Mario da Silva. For now, you
Yeah, nice
join
to meet
with
Yeah,
Mr.
thank you.
Hawkins in Ecuador. Yes. Now you join with Mr. Hawkins in Ecuador, in South of America, Mr. Mario da Silva. So welcome to the class. Yeah, actually this evening we will discuss about this.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Where are you from, Mr. Mario? At the moment.
Uh, good night to all. My complete name is Mario da Silva Rojo Martinez. I come from the Great Timor Leste. Now I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. Thank you.
Indonesia. Okay.
Yes.
My name is Olvin. I live in Ecuador. It is have I'm located in have the world. It is my country.
Yes, so far. Thank
Thanks.
you. Yes,
Thanks.
yeah, people. Yes, we have Ecuador in the morning, but in our country in the evening, Mr. Mario da Silva. So we
Thank
have
you.
time zone difference.
Yes.
12 hours. Okay. For this evening, actually, we will discuss about these materials. That we will discuss about this also. Yeah, this is the Freeport's mine in West Papua. Yeah, secretly producing the uranium. Okay, Mr. Hawkins, do you understand about this? This is the Freeport's mine, the Freeport's company in West Papua. So, okay, I will say greeting first to Mr. Rilans. Mr. Rilans join the class. Mr. Rilans. Okay, Mr. Hawkins, do you understand about this actually, the Freeport's mine?
Yes.
Yes. This is in Indonesia, sir. But the company from the US, yes, from America, from the company, Freeport. Okay. So I will say greetings to Mr. Rilans.
Freeport.
Yes, Freeport. And Mr. Mario da Silva, actually, do you understand about this, sir? Mr. da Silva?
Yeah.
Freeport mine.
Why can
Yes,
explain?
you
I don't
understand.
listen. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Yes, Mr.
Yeah,
Mario da
hello?
Silva. Yes, actually, do you understand about the Freeport mine? The Freeport's company. Okay. Yes, this is
Yes,
in
I
Indonesia, sir.
understand.
Yes. Okay. So, okay, Mr. Mario da Silva, can you please paragraph here? Okay. Can you please read this, the news item from Bintang Papua until the nuclear weapon disease? Okay. Can you please read the news item from Bintang Papua? Yes. So we discuss together about this paragraph. Hello, Mr. Mario da Silva. Okay. Yes, probably you have connection struggles, probably. Okay, so Mr. Hawkins, can you please read this paragraph,
Yes.
sir? This is, okay, the shocking news until nuclear weapon,
Okay.
please. Yes.
Okay. The shocking news has been received about Freeport, Indonesia, namely that his company will operate one of the large Cooper 9 in the world has for the past 8 months been secretly producing and exploiting sought after mineral uranium, which is the
Uranium.
basic
Yes.
uraniums
Yes, sir.
which is basic requirement
Nuclear
for
reactors.
nuclear reactors and
Yes.
for the product of nuclear weapons.
Yes.
Weapons.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. So I will explain this paragraph. Yeah, this is the shocking news. Okay, Mr. Mario da Silva. So what is the meaning? The shocking news in Indonesian, Mr. Mario da Silva. The shocking news. Do you understand? This is
Shocking news has been received about Freeport Indonesia, namely that this company it operates on the largest copper mines in the world has for the past 8 months been secretly producing and exporting the most sought after mineral uranium, which is the basic requirements of nuclear
requirements.
reactors and for the production of nuclear weapons.
Okay, so thank you for the reading. Actually, do you understand what is the purpose of this paragraph, sir? Do you understand?
You are
Yes, so this is the shocking news. Shocking news is that news that make you shock. In Indonesian is terkejut, sir. Yeah, so has been received about Freeport Indonesia. Yeah, namely that this company which operates over the large copper meaning is tembaga, Mr. Mario. It's copper mines, so tambang tembaga, the large in the world, terbesar di dunia, has for the past 8 months, telah lebih dari 8 bulan, been secretly secara sought after minerals, memproduksi dan mengekspor barang yang paling berharga setelah mineral, that's uranium, which is the basic requirements, which is the requirement is the basic requirements, ya persyaratan dasar for nuclear reactors, untuk reaktor nuklir, and for the production of nuclear weapons, and uranium also can be for the productions of nuclear weapons. So this is the really precious, the uraniums, actually the really stock of materials. This is the uraniums. Okay, Mr. Hovin, you understand about the first paragraph purpose, Mr. Hovin?
I
If you don't
understand
understand,
over the reading.
yes, yeah, you
I
understand what the first paragraph.
understand. It is a it is a minerals that produce the uranium with its
Yes,
basic
uraniums.
requirement for nuclear actor.
Yes, nuclear bombs or nuclear
It is
weapons. Yeah,
bomb.
yeah,
Bombs.
yes,
Bombs.
yes, that's correct.
It is a.
Yes, that's the materials.
What is the shocking? What is the meaning of? Oh, sorry.
Shocking.
Shocking.
The meaning is
Yes.
that news that's make you actually shock like that. That is shocking and something unpredictable. That's a shocking. That is something unpredictable.
Predict.
So that is shocking. Yes. Yeah. Or suddenly happens. Yeah, that's a shocking also can. Suddenly happen. Yes, it's happening suddenly.
Okay.
Yeah. Or so you obviously you see that something
Thanks.
happens. Yeah. So yeah, that's shocking. So, yes. Okay, so we continue again for the second paragraph. So I will read for the second paragraph. So yeah, we will discuss on this. Yeah, this is in bridge. Yeah, this is in bridge, Mr. Mario da Silva. Bridge, the meaning is pelanggaran. Yeah, bridge. Yeah, this is in breach of its contracts of work. Ya, ini melanggar kontrak kerjanya, which covers the mining of copper. Ya, which cover the mining of copper. Do you know, sir? Do you understand, Mr. Hopkins? Which covers the mining of copper. Do you understand? This meaning, sir, Mr. Hopkins. Which
Yes.
cover the mining
Copper.
of coppers.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Mario da Silva, do you understand what this purpose, about this mining, actually this meaning, which covers the mining of copper? You understand of this?
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
Because can I ask,
Yeah, yeah.
what the meaning of copper?
Copper tembaga.
Can give example for me?
Yes, copper the meaning is tembaga. Tembaga as a copper. So which covers yang ditutupi the mining of copper dengan pertambangan tembaga. Copper the meaning is tembaga. You understand, Mr. Mario? Copper is tembaga. Yes.
Thank you. Understand.
Yeah. Okay. So whereas the mining of other mineral, the mining of other mineral such as you can read this such as the mining of gold made public during the 1990s. Yes, Mr. Hawkins, do you understand about this actually, sir? About this purpose of this paragraph? Yeah,
Yes,
this is in our country.
about my contract.
Yes, this is the
In
contract.
my country.
No. This is the
I
contract.
repeat the question. Sorry.
Yes, this is the contracts of Freeport's company. This is in my country, in Indonesia. And this is in my country,
Okay.
sir, in Indonesia. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand there is over talk about the bridge contract.
Yes, bridge is what's that in why say in other language in English actually. Bridge is something that's like a break the law. That's something break the law. In sorry, Mr. Mario, bridge is like a bridge break the law, breaking the law, melanggar hukum. It's like breaking the law. And this is bridge. So has the law, then you passing the law. And so that's the yes, of its contracts. So out of the contracts. So the purpose of this is in breach of its contracts of work. So this purpose is that this is out of the contracts.
Yes.
Out
It is.
of the contracts. Yes, like that.
Yes, I understand contract.
Okay. Yes, because the contract just for the mining of gold. This is coal and non-petroleum. Just for the mining of gold and the contract only. Coal. What is the meaning of coal, Mr. Mario? Coal. Coal is batu bara. Batu bara. Yeah. It's batu bara. Coal. Yeah. And non-petroleum products. Yeah. And the product non-petroleums. Yeah. Non-oils. Petroleum is oils, Mr. Hawkins.
Yes.
This was made public during the 1990s. Okay. Yeah, so the Freeport mining in Indonesia, in West Papua, has the breach of its contracts. So out of the contracts. So the company didn't follow on the contracts. So that's the meaning of breach. Didn't follow for the contracts. Okay. Because the contracts only for the mining of gold. But this is actually this is producing the uranium. This is the problem. Gold. Actually the mining of coppers, the first of coppers and gold, or coals and non-petroleum products. But this is producing the uranium. So yes, sir. Please.
I can ask question. Sorry. Okay. Is most mineral explorer in your country, and uranium or oil? What is most explored in your country? Uranium or oil? Oil.
Yes, actually, Mr. Hopkins, I catch it. Yes, I understand.
What is must cost? What is must cost?
Yes,
Cost.
yes. In our country, yeah, in Indonesia, has lots of mining. Yeah, those are the mining of oils, oil and gas. Then the mining of coals, and then the mining of gold. Then also the mining of coppers. Yeah, so lots of mining in Indonesia, in my country, especially in Indonesia. Yeah, but Indonesian
Okay.
citizens or Indonesian people, yeah, they don't have enough of the human resources, to manage the minings in actually the mining from the nature. So the people of Indonesian people, they still don't have lots of knowledge, to actually cultivate the resources, the nature resources, something like that. So the mining in Indonesia had taken down, for example, freeports from the United States, from the USA. Then Chevron is the oil and gas company, also from Texas, from the USA. And then ExxonMobil in Aceh. And this is that's company from US, from the United States. Yeah. Because why? Because the people of Indonesia still don't have enough of human resource to cultivate or to manage the nature resources in Indonesia, like that. Okay, so this is the point, Mr. Holvins. Yeah, we will not discuss all of this paragraph, so we'll continue by tomorrow. Yeah, but this for this evening we can conclude, yeah, for these two paragraphs actually. Okay, so Mr. Holvins,
Okay,
actually,
thanks.
what is your yes? What did you catch from this news actually, Mr. Holvins? What did you get from this news, Mr. Holvins?
Cuts.
Yes, sir. So, what did you get from this news, from these two paragraphs? What is your opinion, actually? Yeah.
Cuts.
Okay. What did you get from this? Okay, before I will ask to Mr. Mario da Silva. Okay, Mr. Mario da Silva, what did you get from this news, actually, sir?
Right?
What did you get from this news? Do you understand what this news, Mr. Mario da Silva?
News is from Bintang, Papua. Why?
Yes, you can also explain in Indonesian language. It's okay, no problem. It's your
Can I speak Indonesia?
Okay. So I will explain in Indonesian language first, Mr. Mario da Silva. Yeah, this is Freeport mine in West Papua, secretly producing uranium. Ya, pertambangan Freeport ya di Papua Barat, secretly, secara rahasia, memproduksi uranium, produksi uranium. Okay. Do you understand uranium, Mr. Mario da Silva? What is the functions of the uraniums? Fungsinya apa, Mr. Mario da Silva, tentang uranium itu sendiri? Fungsinya untuk apa? Ya, fungsinya sudah dijelaskan di bawah ini, reaktor nuklir. And for the production of nuclear weapons. Dan untuk produksi senjata nuklir. That's the uraniums. Yeah. If you see the US aircraft carriage, ya, kapal induk Amerika Serikat, ya, US aircraft carriage, kapal induk Amerika Serikat, ya, that's use the uranium. Itu menggunakan uranium because the nuclear power has the nuclear power inside. Ya, karena di dalamnya menggunakan tenaga nuklir. Ya. Sehingga US aircraft carriage atau kapal itu Amerika Serikat ini bisa berada di lautan dalam waktu yang sangat lama. Dan dia bisa menjelajahi dunia tanpa khawatir akan kehabisan bahan bakar. Ya. Karena pakai uranium. Beda dengan bahan bakar minyak yang selalu habis. Tetapi kalau uranium dipakai, ya, itu sebesar kepalan bola pingpong itu adalah hasil dari uranium. Ya, kalau yang jurusan kimia tahu. Ya, uranium itu nanti diolah menjadi thorium sebesar kepalan bola pingpong itu. Nah, kalau mobil pakai bahan bakar itu 100 tahun bahan bakarnya nggak pernah habis. Nanti cari di YouTube atau cari di Google setelah pelajaran ini. Mobil dengan bahan bakar thorium itu sedang dibikin prototipnya dan itu tidak akan pernah mengisi bahan bakar selama 100 tahun. Nanti cari di Google dan di YouTube setelah pelajaran ini selesai. Uranium itu untuk mengolah thorium tadi. Thorium itu asal dari uranium. Nah, itu diambil atau dicuri oleh Amerika Serikat dari yang ditutupi oleh perusahaan Freeport tadi. Seperti itu. Dan ini dibikin konspirasi. This is the conspirations. Actually the big conspirations. But this is already leakage, kebocoran, on actually in July 15th, so, 2010. So 11 years ago. 11 years ago. Sudah 11 tahun yang lalu ini sudah kebocoran, berita rakyat Papua sudah tahu semua, akhirnya mereka melakukan perlawanan. Tetapi pemerintah kita menutup-nutupi bahwa itu adalah serangan dari gerakan Papua Merdeka dan lain sebagainya. Penyerangan rakyat Papua karena kurang diberikan hidup yang layak, khususnya penduduk sekitar Freeport. Padahal masalah utamanya bukan itu. Masalah utamanya adalah ini. Tetapi berita itu sudah diolah oleh jurnalistik, oleh pemerintah dan sebagainya. Sehingga berita ini tidak pernah bocor secara umum. Nah, berita ini hanya ada di website. Tapi setelah itu berita ini tersebar tahun 2010, 15 Juli 2010. Okay, Mr. Hawkins. Actually, do you understand what this actually? Yeah, what did you get from this news? Do you understand? Okay, you can tell us. What did you get?
What did you get?
Yeah, what did you get? Get is something that you receive. What do you receive from this news? Okay.
Did you get?
Okay, so I will explain, Mr. Hawkins. Yeah, this news is talking about this. Yeah, talking about the mining of freeports in Indonesia, in West Papua, in Indonesia, that's secretly producing the uranium. Uranium is the most sought after minerals, which is the basic requirements for nuclear reactors and for the production of nuclear weapons. If you know irons,
it is the part.
Irons. Yes.
Yeah.
Iron has the uranium.
It is the part.
So a lot of countries, a lot of countries around the world, they are afraid. It's like frightening when they fight to irons because iron has the uranium. Like that. Okay, this is the homework that we will discuss tomorrow, Mr. Hawkins. So we continue again by tomorrow evening.
Okay.
Yes, and tomorrow morning in your country. Yes, you're welcome, Mr. Hawkins. So
thanks,
tomorrow,
teacher. You rest and blessing